Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Music Lover here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the first week of, I guess it's the first week of February, kind of the first week of February, February 30th through February 5th, in my social media planner. Now, if you guys saw my February setup, I did change the cover of my planner. So this one is by PlanningwithADesigns as well. And technically, this is what the cover is supposed to look like here, with this gorgeous, I don't even know how to describe it, this gorgeous Valentine's Day-ish deco, but I really liked the pink a lot. So I decided that that would be perfect for me. It fits my vibe a little bit more, and that's the beauty of these planner covers. Now, I am not on a PR for PlanningwithADesigns anymore. She did have to cut her PR short, just for some family and personal things that are going on in her life, which I'm so excited for her about. But you can still save some money. She usually does have some sales going on, so if she does have one at the time of me uploading this video, I will put it in the description box so you can save some money. And I do believe she had told us at the end of our PR we would be having these on her website. So these are going to be showing up on her channel or on her Etsy very soon. So if you guys want to purchase your own cozy winter kit, you totally can. This is what my freebie looked like during my PR. However, we are going to be using the Roses kit from her shop on this spread. I thought it would be the perfect introduction for Valentine's Day and a beautiful little spread for the season. So we're going to go ahead and open up. This is how last week looked, and lots of things happening. It's actually Friday the 27th right now, so that is why everything is not completely done. But this was using Coffee Planner Mom's soft kit, and I do have a plan with me on this. We're going to go ahead and jump into February. And we are using a different layout this week. This week we are actually the entire month. We're going to be using inserts from Boss Chic Planners. I was on a PR for her. I'm not on a PR anymore. It did end in December, but you can still check out her website. She has some really awesome designs. So I thought this would be perfect for the month of February because it has that cute little spine design, and I thought that would be perfect for my social media planner. So let's go ahead and get started. So as I had mentioned, I do really love the spine design. However, unfortunately, it doesn't really match with the colors of this kit. So I'm going to be taking some of this washi. This is actually technically washi for the Magical Mouse by Carpe Diem. But we're going to use this washi to kind of bring in some of those darker burgundy colors. I don't even know if I'm going to need, yes, I will not need to cover up this with whiteout because, like I said, this is my social media planner. It doesn't need to be super pretty or anything. It already is super pretty, but doesn't have to be like extravagant. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay this washi down. You guys, for the first time in a couple of months, well, no, I would say a couple of weeks, I have been able to wear my spirit jersey because it's been cold in Florida, and I'm so happy that it's cold because I love cold weather. And already finally, after like a month and a half of feeling sick, I'm finally starting to feel better. So I'm able to really enjoy the cold weather instead of cry because I'm sick. So that's exciting. I just ripped this a little bit, but it's okay. We'll fix it later. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side and punch the holes real quick. All right, now it is time to add everything on here. So we're going to begin with, let's see, we're definitely going to have to add more washi later, but I think I need my whiteout. I have a pretty good idea of what I want to do with this spread. So here is going to be, this box is a little long, but that's okay. It's going to be my goals. So go ahead, white out that line there. Oh, no, that's goals. It's fine. Let's see. Then this is going to be filming and editing. So I actually think I'm going to take the leftover pieces from when I was cutting the page, and I think we're going to do a little bit of, it's a little different than what I'm used to doing with my spreads, but that's okay. That's why we're here to experiment with these. And I'm going to go ahead and trim this down a little bit because this will be our filming list. And I think I'm going to do it this way for editing. Maybe not. I don't really like this one. Hold on. Let's see. Trim it down a little bit. And then we'll put this one as editing. Okay, then we'll throw away these extra little bits because we don't need those. All right, so filming, editing. Let's see. This is gonna be my PR for Simply Sweetly Crafty. I have to keep track of, I mean, I don't have to, but I need to keep track of when I post for her. And we're going to do a little bit of layering here. Not too much, just enough. There we go. That may have been too much right there. That's not bad. That'll be okay. Let's go ahead and do film and edit because we need those. Probably won't need these again after this, but we want to have our filming and editing list ready to go. So there's film and edits. There we go. Then I think we're gonna go in, gonna add this burgundy box here. This will be my important, or just a box for general things. And then this will be for important dates. I guess I should probably do an important on here. Okay, we've got an important, and this is also, forgot to mention, the film and editing is from Redhead Stickers, and so is this important script as well. I think I want this to be smaller. Okay. There we go. Alrighty, and we'll figure out something to do with that in a second. I want to go over here really quick. And Tuesdays are $2 Tuesdays. Let's do, I'm trying to figure out a good box. I'm thinking We're going to do the pink for $2 Tuesdays. That is crooked. Well, it might have to go on there crooked because I think I am ripping the page. It's a little bit better. And then we're going to do this box for Friday releases. Okay, and so we'll go ahead. We're going to put, oopsie, $2 Tuesday. And new releases. I do not need those anymore, so that's good. Okay. I think now all I want to do is just add some boxes here and there for some decoration. I kind of want this green one to go up here over the to-do. I don't know what we're going to use this box for, but we have it now, so I'm going to use it. And I think I want to use a pink box in this corner. Let's see. We're going to do another box. Well, I guess I don't have to use all of them, but I do want to use these two. Do this one. Okay, I think it's time to add some deco, and then we are going to add in our scripts as well. Alright everyone, and that is it for this week's Plan With Me and my social media planner. I hope you guys liked this video and you got inspired on how to create your own social media planner using this beautiful kit. Once again, this is the Roses kit by PlanningwithADesigns. If you guys are interested in checking out her shop and all of her information, all of her social links, I will leave them in the description box. The scripts are from Redhead Stickers, and then the icons, the social media icons, are all from Proud Sticker Designs. So like I said, all of that information will be linked in the description box below. If you would like to save some money on your Redhead Stickers purchases, I am still on a PR for her. This is what my beautiful freebie looks like. You can use Megan to save 15% off of her store. It's definitely a lot darker tones than what I'm usually used to working with, but I still really enjoy it, and I hope you guys did too. If you want to see more from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to check out the description box below for all of my playlists related to crafting and planning content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!